This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Eric Hine. With me today is Chris Vonderau from the law offices of Chris Vonderau. How are you doing today, Chris?
Doing well, Eric. How are you?
Doing excellent. Great to see you again.
We
have a few questions here for some of our viewers I'd like to ask you.
Sure.
The first one is from Mary in Wilmington. She writes in, I co-signed on my grandson's car loan. He stopped making the payments and it has been repossessed. What happens next?
The next step in the legal process is they will sell that car at an auction for pennies on the dollar, and then they will turn around and potentially legally pursue whoever's on that note, including the grandmother. In a case like that, depending on the amount of the deficiency, you may want to consult an attorney. It certainly may not necessarily involve a bankruptcy filing, but it could involve negotiating a settlement on that debt so that you don't have to worry about being sued and going to court and having to deal with that. So it's definitely something you want to aggressively address.
Gotcha. Okay, very good. Our next question is from John in Leland, and he writes in, I have a lot of credit card debt and was wondering if I should take a loan out from my retirement account to pay it.
While I am not a financial planner, I can tell you from experience it is almost never a good idea to borrow from your 401k. Number of reasons for that. Number one, when you take money out before you're eligible, you're going to incur a tax, a big tax, and that tax is not going to go away. Secondly, that retirement account is completely exempt, meaning creditors can't touch it even if they have a judgment against you or if you were to file bankruptcy to get rid of it. So,
okay, and everybody's case is a little bit different, so when it comes to retirements, 401s, they should of course consult with you as well.
yes.
Chris, thank you so much for your time. You can learn more by visiting his website. Go to chrislegal.com or text Chris Legal to 91066.
This has been a WECT Business Break.